I couldn't sleep last night, man. I was just up. 3 a.m. chilling with my demons. That's all it is, man. I was like, what's up, insecurities? Hey, procrastination. Funny you'd be on time for this. You're never doing anything productive. That's the most frustrating thing. If you're like me, you're just up rethinking conversations you had during the day and coming up with better responses. Or you're on the internet for the next 97 hours looking at weird animal friendship videos. Which are my favorite, by the way. I love those videos. I'm like, a kitten and a monkey? How'd they even meet?